Welcome back to Konkani Khan and Ikjavan. Please like, share and subscribe to see more upcoming videos. Banana plants used to be grown in most Konkani households not just for the bananas they yielded but also for the flower or bondi and the inner core of the stem or gabbo. So many delicious dishes can be made from them. You can make gabbia olle suke with this gabbo. Please see the video link in the description below. Presenting to you the most simple and easiest dishes made from gabbo, and it's so very tasty. Here I have got fresh gabbo which I will be using for making ukari and also for poltan. The stem contains a lot of fiber which has to be removed. So here is an easy way to remove it. Slice thinly and just twirl the emerging fibers easily with your forefinger. Always slice them into water as otherwise they tend to blacken quickly. Now you can see they are free from fibers. Now we chop them finely lengthwise for the ukari, and for the poltan we chop even more finely. For the ukari, we have the sliced gabbo, some grated coconut and 1 or 2 chilies. Splatter mustard seeds in a kadai. Add the sliced gabbo along with the chilies and salt to taste. Add a little water too. Add the grated coconut now. Cover and cook on low flame till done. The poltan needs no cooking. We have the finely chopped raw gabbo, add a little salt and some finely chopped green chilies. Add the curds which is sweet. Avoid sour ones. Mix well. Now add a tempering of mustard, jeera and curry leaves. And you're done. This is so tasty, it can be eaten as such like a salad. Enjoy these healthy dishes with your lunch. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.